Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to slide product images on hover using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in edit product and this is our product image and this is our product gallery. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write Magni image flip for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. Now WooCommerce setting open and then you see multiple tabs, so click on image flipper. Now plugin setting open and then scroll down, you see enable image flipper, yes, and then you see select image effect, drop down select slider and then you see turn off pages, enable this option and then you see image transition speed, so you can set according to requirement and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, go to shop page and refresh the page. So this is our product. Now hover on it and then you see image slide. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.